Updating your legal business name on Shopify is essential for maintaining accurate records and ensuring compliance. Follow these steps to make the change smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin by entering your credentials on the Shopify website. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your store settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option at the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your store. Step 3. Select Legal. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Legal option. This section contains important information regarding your business, including your legal name, privacy policy, and terms of service. Step 4. Update your business name. In the Legal section, look for the field that displays your current legal business name. Click on it and enter your new legal business name. Ensure that the name is spelled correctly and reflects your business identity. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new legal business name, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. Confirm that the update has been successfully saved by reviewing the information displayed in the Legal section. By following these steps, you can easily update your legal business name on Shopify. Keeping your business information current is crucial for compliance and customer trust.